Hello, welcome to Camden Beer Reviews. Right, I've got another beer from BrewDog, and it's BrewDog's Jackhammer Ruthless IPA in a can, and it's coming in at 7.2% ABV. So I've got my Jackhammer glass here in BrewDog in Camden. See what we get out of this. So as you can see, very well carbonated. See right through the glass there. It's got a finger and a half of just off white head. Anyway, it's getting aroma. It's just packed full of hops. You're getting so many tropical notes straight at the nose. Grapefruit. There's just so much going on. I've not had this before. So, anyway, let's give it a try. Cheers. Wow, that is really packing a punch of fruit. Let me just have another taste just to clear my palate from the other beer. It's actually, you're not getting a 7.2% ABV. The mouthfeel is very smooth. There's so much tropical fruits going on in this beer. So it's sweet right at the front end, and it goes into this amazing tropical fruit roller coaster. You're getting obvious grapefruit, and that really is proper. It's almost like there's been grapefruit juice poured in this. So it's a 330ml can. Put that one way. There you go. So anyway, see if it's can condition. Possibly a filtered beer. Still didn't do a can test. I will remember one day. So it's got a best before date on the 5th of June 2016, so it's very fresh and in a can. So very smooth. Peach, mango, maybe some apples. There's so much going on, and it's just leaving a nice smooth finish. Not too malty, but the IBUs must be very ramped up on this beer. Anyway, as for a rating. It's lovely. It's really nice. I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. That's a 9 out of 10 from me. If you've had it before, which I'm sure some of you may have, tell me what you think about it. And cheers.